Hello friends, this is Durga, and as part of this video I will show you how to record videos on Mac using a tool called Movavi. Movavi, you can actually search for, go to google.com, search for Movavi video and hit enter, and it will bring up this, you can go to this link and you can download for Mac. For Windows, I use a different technology. I don't use Movavi because I started with Windows and I downloaded a technology called Snagit, and I use that over Movavi. And Movavi is a little bit expensive compared to Snagit. Anyway, so you can download it for free, and you can only record videos up to 2 minutes, that too only, up to fixed amount of time. By using the licensed version, you can record whatever size you want. For example, you can download it by going to for Mac, if you are using Mac, and click on Screen Capture Studio, and you can look at the pricing. I think let me show you the pricing. It says download for free, but it is not free. It has, okay, let's choose all Mac products here. Yeah. So this is actually showing up in Indian price. For example, for personal, it costs you around $2,490, which means $39.99 or something. So you can, if you are in US, you will see the prices in US dollars, but using my IP, it picked up Indian product prices, and it is showing up the Indian product prices. So for personal license, it is 2,490 rupees, which is approximately $40, and you can download it. And once you download and install, you can either go to the applications by clicking on Finder on your Mac, go to Applications, and you can see the Movavi Capture Studio here. You can double click this one, or you can actually go to the Spotlight search. This magnifying glass is a search icon in Mac. You can click on that and it will bring up this application called Spotlight Search. And in that you can start typing Movavi, and after typing few characters, it will automatically pick up most matching tool, and you can hit enter and it will open up Movavi. So in Movavi, you can choose, you can redefine the size by selecting this yellow line. So whenever you go close to this yellow line, you can either increase the scope of the recording or decrease the scope of the recording, and you have to capture the relevant real estate of your screen to start the recording first. Once you choose the appropriate area to record, you can click on the record button and make sure you are using the relevant system audio and mic, etc. And before actually publishing on third-party platforms like YouTube, once you record the video, it will always be better to review it. So first, let us click on record, and now whatever we are trying to do will be recorded from this point. And you can see the time it is being recorded. So on top, the clock is ticking. I'm not sure whether it is being, whether you can see in the recording of WebEx, which will be uploaded in YouTube later. But on top, in the middle, you can see the clock ticking. Okay, and after that, you have the finish recording icon and the pause recording icon. So if you want to pause the recording, you can click on the pause recording, and then automatically the Movavi comes up when you pause the recording. You can see the clock ticking stopped. If the Movavi application does not come for whatever reason, you can click on that one. What happened? You can click on that one and you can see the icon here. And if you want to record it again, you can just click on this circle button to resume the recording. And now you can see the clock is ticking again, and now it started at 34 and moving forward. If you stop the recording, just click on the square button and the recording will be stopped. And now you can hit on play. The sound is not coming up because whenever the Movavi started, I'm pausing this one, whenever Movavi started, the control will go to the Movavi and you have to change the system preferences to get control back from Movavi, go to the sound, and instead of using Movavi sound grabber, choose internal speakers, and you can close it and you can play it. And now on top the clock is ticking. I'm not sure if whether it is being whether you can see. And now you can see that you can hear the sound that is recorded as part of the video. So make sure you preview and go to the system preferences, have the internal speakers working before saving it. Once you confirm that the recording is of good quality, just click on save and it will be saved as MP4. And the location of the saving will be under your home directory. There will be a movies directory, and in there Movavi Screen Capture Studio will be the main directory. Under that one, when you click on save, the video will be saved there. Before that, the video will be in the project. This is a temporary location where the video will be saved. The screen capture project 3.msc proj is the one which is recorded as part of the last video, and it is of 220 MB per 2 minutes, not even 2 minutes, per 1 minute. But once you save it as MP4, you can see that it's only 31.7 MB. So you can create a directory, testing, copy this one, go to that location, and then give the name to the file. I would like to give it as testing, and go back and go to the project and make sure you delete this immediately. Otherwise, if you see my previous videos are of size 7.4 GB and 1.6 GB, but after saving, it is only 557 MB and 193 MB. So approximately from 9 GB it came down to 700 MB, and our storage will saturate very fast on our PC. So make sure that once it is saved to the desired location, you just delete the original file under projects. I can delete these two also because I already saved them. Click on move to trash and go to your trash and right click on this empty trash so that you reclaim space immediately. Okay, so now the recording is done, and we have to we will see how this can be uploaded as part of the next video. And let me see what other topics we need to cover before wrapping this up. Yeah, so one more thing you need to understand when we are trying to record the video by clicking this, you have to wait until this that is gone, and only when the clock ticking starts on top, you should start recording. Until then, you should just wait. And also, instead of editing the video after the recording is done, you need to be prepared where should you pause and pause that on using the pause button on top, and do whatever you want. For example, if you run a script and if it takes around a minute to save time of everyone, it will be better to pause that for 1 minute and let the script run. And wherever you think you have to resume, wherever you think is relevant to resume, click on the resume button and then continue, and then show the results to the audience. So don't record everything, try to eliminate as much noise as possible while recording itself by leveraging the pause button. Because if you try editing the videos later, video editing takes a lot of resources on your laptop, especially when you are trying to deal with 7 GB, 8 GB files for 20-minute, 30-minute video. And also, it will be tedious. It will take a lot of time to edit the video and save the video after the editing is done. So keep those things in mind and make sure you pause wherever it is not necessary, and try to avoid editing the videos after creating the video. So that being said, use Movavi for Mac or whatever technology is relevant for you or comfortable for you. And also, while recording the video, make sure that you either present using PPT or you use whiteboarding. Again, for whiteboarding, I use a technology called Wacom tablet. There are different versions here, but I use this one, Wacom Medium. Okay, and it comes with the pen, and you can connect to your PC, and you can start drawing with this. So if I don't have PPT, I will try to use this one to explain the complex concepts. So if you want, you can buy this one to record the video so that your recordings are much more effective compared to just explaining theoretically. And also, in conjunction with this one, I use another tool called Corel Painter on both my Mac as well as Windows. Because Wacom works very well with this Corel Painter Lite, it again costs $30 or something, and it looks like this. Then you can actually click on File, New, and change the size of your Corel screen wherein you can draw. In this case, this is the amount of space I have to draw, and if I use Wacom tablet and if I try to draw, I can draw it. Okay, and in this you need to be familiar with some of the items like tools and all. So I will try to cover Corel in detail later, but make sure that you have either Corel Painter or some other whiteboarding tool to whiteboard while recording the videos if necessary. Okay, and yeah. If you want to change the pencil size, you can click on this one, and you can change the pencil size. You can use pens, you can use oils, markers, whatever it is. So I will highly recommend you to use one or the other painting tool and get familiar with it as much as possible before recording the videos using this Wacom tablet for whiteboarding. And also, if you are using WebEx itself will have the whiteboarding capacity. Here is my WebEx session. Not this one. Yeah, that is fine. WebEx itself have the whiteboarding capacity, and you can actually whiteboard using WebEx also. But it is not as flexible as Corel Painter. So you need to understand the tools and decide on good tools to make it your presentation as much effective as possible. So communication is one aspect of it, but using the tools effectively is another aspect where your presentation can go to next level. That being said, I hope you are enjoying the content so far on my channel. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If you want to provide feedback or ask any technical questions, please use the comment section of the video. And if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. You will see a lot more content like this over time. Thank you. Bye.